Hello, Facebook YouTube. We got here 2011 Dodge Charger. We're doing the CV axle replacement. This is the new one here. You gotta take this fork out. I take this nut, this nut, this nut, this nut, this nut right here, and the fork comes out. Then you take the axle through it. Take the nut right here in the front. Take the big, the upper control arm nut. Basically, that's how you do it. It's pretty simple. You pop it off, and you unhook the caliper and the sensor. So this is the new one here. This is the old one. Messed up from here. That's a big hole right there. So this is how you do it, man. It's a 5.7 liter all-wheel drive Dodge Charger. So this is the other side. So we're about to do this side too. We're gonna take this nut, gonna take that one, this one, the bottom one, take this nut off, and that should be able to take off the axle. It's a Hemi 345. Nice car, man. So that's how you do it. Pretty simple. You need some tools to do that. All these tools requires to do this job. If you don't have it, give us a call, man. 832-618-7291, and we can come to you and do it. Garage.